Fred Rachani for TSC News here at PWS's All Fired Up. I'm fired up because I'm standing alongside HABIB from the car wash. He is the suicidal six-way champion. He's got the gold. If you can't see it, that's look at how shiny. That's just awesome, man. And HABIB, you are going up against 5 other competitors, including the former Mason Ryan. What are your thoughts on this epic challenge? So what's it like being the suicidal six-way champion? Are you suicidal or homicidal like Sabu? There are rumors, at least my webmaster on the other side told me, there are rumors that you actually purchased Walter White's car wash. Once Walter White, well, whatever the hell happened to Walter White in Breaking Bad, we won't give any spoilers. Is that true? I'm good.